Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who has been appointed as the IOC Mental Health Ambassador? Athletes. Abhinav Bindra. Who became the first woman president of AMMA, succeeding Mohanlal? Shweta Menon. Which organization introduced the STAG annual pass facility from 15th August 2025? NHAI. What is the annual fee for the STAG annual pass for private cars, jeeps, vans? ₹3,000. Which government launched the Atal Canteen scheme in Delhi, providing meals at ₹5? Delhi government. Bihar government partnered with which IIT for AI-powered bridge and road design training? IIT Delhi. HDFC Ergo Health Insurance tied up with which fintech company? PhonePe. Which insurance company launched the Smart Shield Plus plan? SBI Life. Slynex is a bilateral exercise between which two countries? India, Sri Lanka. Who won bronze in men's 1000-meter inline speed skating at World Games 2025? Anand Kumar. Who won the men's singles title at WTT FIDE Wenchun 2025? G. Sathya. Which state Ghana La Ganessan recently passed away at 80? Nagaland. Jharkhand Education Minister Ramdas Soren belonged to which party? JMM. Dr. V. Paces, who passed away at 80, was an Olympic medalist in which sport? Hockey. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day is observed on which date? August 14th. Who took additional charge as Governor of Nagaland after La Ganessan's demise? Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who is the BJP NDA candidate for Vice President in 2025? CP Radhakrishnan. From which date will RBI's new check clearing mechanism be effective? October 4th, 2025. What is the deadline for banks to clear checks in first phase, October 2025 to January 2026? By 7 p.m. From January 2026 onwards, how much time will banks get to clear checks? Three hours. RBI's new check clearing mechanism will operate under which system? CTS, NPCI. Which country hosted the 2025 World Games? Italy. Who won India's first medal in roller sports at World Games 2025? Anand Kumar. Which scheme in Delhi was launched to provide affordable food? Atal Canteen. Which IIT will train Bihar engineers in AI design for roads and bridges? IIT Delhi. Who launched the Smart Shield Plus insurance plan? SBI Life. Which bilateral naval exercise completed its 11th edition in 2025? Slynex. What is the duration of STAG annual pass validity? One year. What was the meal cost in Atal Canteen? ₹5. Who will supervise Nagaland until a new governor is appointed? Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who was the Vice President of India before 2025 elections? Jagdeep Dhankar. How many hours max for check clearance from January 2026? 3 hours. Slynex 2025 was hosted by which country? Sri Lanka. Who won men's singles at WTT Feeder 2025? Satya Ji. Which minister from Jharkhand died recently? Ramdas Soren. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, observed when? August 14, 2025. Who partnered with HDFC Ergo Health Insurance to introduce an affordable health insurance plan targeting India's missing middle? PhonePe. What is the cost of Stag Pass for cars? $3,000. World Games inline skating medalist Anand Kumar won which medal? Bronze. India has set a vision to become a $1 trillion economy by 2030 under Amrit Kal Roadmap. 5. Which is the largest PSU bank in India? SBI. Which Indian city has been ranked the most economically dynamic in 2024? Bengaluru. Among Indian states, which one registered the highest GSDP growth in the latest estimates? Gujarat. Which city is India's startup capital? Bengaluru. India's inflation rate in 2023 to 24 was kept under control mainly due to good monsoon. The Indian government has set a target to become a $1 trillion economy by 2030. 5. Which sector is expected to create the maximum jobs in India's growth story? IT and services. India's EV, electric vehicle, target is dash percentage sales by 2030. 30. The government's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative was launched in which year? (2020). India's agriculture sector contributes around dash percentage to GDP. 18. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis.